got that crunch. Yeah, what is it? Now, you've seen these cards before, but this is an updated haul. I always update. Because I got new ones. First, we have a Tony Hawk. God, what do you call these again? It's like a skateboard Hot Wheel.
The name is in the bottom.
Oh, thank you, yeah. Skate Grom. Then we have a Dune Crusher with black, whatever these are. Thick tires with reddish like gold. And it says...
That's called rose gold.
No, I know. I was reading the thing on the door.
Oh, my bad.
Ralaman Offland Clone. Baja Blasters. Then we have...
Babe, wake me up at 8.
8? Okay.
If you could.
Okay.
Now, if you want me to wake, please let me know, please.
No, go ahead. I'll wake you up at 8. 8, what's his name? F-Racer. But you've seen that one before. We have a Hot Wired. Blue wheels in the front and then black in the back. Then we have a Goodyear car. A Sand Burner. These are the collection of buses that I have right now. These are the same scale bus, but they're a little bit different quirks. Tires are a little bit different. Front and the back's a little bit different. That's the back of the bus. Oops. The front of the bus is the same. Just says, this one is the Hot Wheels Track. High Hot Wheels Track 1 Ram. And this is the Hot Wheels Racing Academy. And it is the Hot Wheels High. That's the bowler bus. This one is another one that I like. So when you like on its wheels, if you can see that. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's smooth, like it rattles. And this is the Rockin' Railer. The Yu-Gi-Oh card theme.
Nah, I was gonna tell you. I'm gonna give you at least $5 later before we go. You heard? I'm over here in Rosedale. I'll give you $5 at least for gas. I'm not gonna keep on telling you. Oh, take me. I'm here. Oh, take me. I'm here. I'll contribute. So this time I'm gonna contribute. I'm gonna give you at least $5 for gas. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna start heading out of here like at 7:38. I'll call you to give you a heads up that I'm heading over there to see if you're here or to see if you're gonna meet me over there. All right.
We've seen this before. It is the Hot Wheels Hydroplane. This is the.
Explain to them that it's just me talking about Hot Wheels to somebody, your subscribers.
He was just talking about like the fantasies and Hot Wheels cars.
I'm going to Walmart to get some.
You're going to Walmart to get a little bit more. This is a Honda scooter bike. This is another one of the new ones. This is a money clip right here. But it's the Hot Wheels money rod. Clip rod.
It actually holds money.
I have this one.
Mama, we
Huh?
like blow your nose with some tissue. You're talking really stuffy. They won't understand you. You're talking really stuffy.
Then we have
Okay, sorry.
these two right here. Stay. Ooh, that was close.
Oh no! Oh brother.
That's your brother?
No, it's my father. Tell them Spanish time. Tell them Spanish time. Tell them.
Spanish time. Si habla español.
Hello. Aquí, tranquilo. Donde la jeva viendo una película. Ahorita más luego. Ajá, yo ando bien abrigado. Ah, pues está todo. Hablamos ahorita. Okay. Back to English, honey. Back to English.
Si. Habla inglés. We have these two. They're a duplicate, but I don't mind because I like the color wave. Then we have this is, what's it called again? Ridge Raider. Seen this one. And you've seen the lightning bug before. Insectoride. Then we have, this is the Power Pistons. Excuse me. And a water drag. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I put him on there. He fell off. We have another of the Tony Hawk skate ROMs. This one glows in the dark. And it is a spitting image. Then we have the surfer car. Surf's up, dude. The Surf's Up. Oh, I was right. Surf's Up. This is a Mattel Mad Splash. This is a punk rod. Then we have, this is a super treasure of the Datsun's 71 Datsun 510 wagon. This is a tuned twin mill. This one doesn't say what it is. But it is some kind of like fire truck thing. This one is also, I think, tuned up. I'm sorry, it's a teed off. This one opens like this. If you comment down below if you know who Rocky and Bullwinkle is. Boris, I think I was, I don't know if you can see him on there, was one of the bad guys on the black part. In Rocky and Bullwinkle. Boris and Natasha. This is a Bedlam. This one is a Cloud Cutter. Because it's a kind of plane. This reminds me of the Concorde FTC. If you don't know what that is, it's a kind of airplane here. We have a Dodge Charger. An MST Suzuka. This is the Papa Wheelie, so when you ride it, the back will make it look like it's popping a wheelie. Then we have, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination. Life is your creation. This one you can lift this part up to the innards to the car. And it is a Ground Effects. We have a shark thing on the, not that you can see on my arm. His mouth moves up and down. We're going to call him Shark. Just Shark for now. And this one is another race car. It is the HW4 Track. We have this Pop-It bracelet. This one didn't fit me, but that's what my favorite is this. And I liked how textured this was. The gloves we're not going to put in the bag because they have the people on here. I don't want to lose the people that go on here. Mimikyu, Mimikyu, Mimikyu. When you play this Pokemon, from your hand onto your bench during your turn, all damage dealt to this Mimikyu by attacks from your opponent's Pokemon. Opponent's next turn, Jealous Eyes. Put 3 damage counters on your opponent's active Pokemon for each prize card your opponent has taken. Sylveon, Sylveon, Precious, Precious Touch. Attach an energy card from your hand to one of your benched Pokemon. If you do, heal it with 20 damage Pokemon. Then we have Mimikyu again, but this VMAX Omnis numbers. Put 4 damage counters on your opponent's Pokemon any way you like, and you played these roll as premonition from your hand to place damage on counters instead. Nihilego, Nihilego, Nihilego. Ability Empty Light. When you place Pokemon from your hand into your bench during your turn, active Pokemon confused and poisoned. Can't retreat during opponent's next turn. Typhlosion. Send your opponent's active Pokemon is now burned. Fire choose a random card from your opponent's hand. Deals that card and shuffles it into their deck. Pinsir, Pinsir. It's a Proto Hunt and Guillotine. It doesn't say what those do. Basic. The Ambition. Drop cards until you have 5 cards in your hand. If you were knocked out during your opponent's hand, last turn, drop cards you have in your hand instead. Supporter card. Sylveon. Drink Gift. Once your turn, you may search your deck. Item card, reveal it, and put it into your hand. Then shuffle your deck if you use this ability your turn ends. Bolton, Bolton. Electrify. Take for up to 2 energy cards and attack them. Attach them to your deck, bench to Pokemon in any way you like. Then shuffle your deck. Comment down below your favorite Pokemon. It's a Mario, 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 Mario. Does not fit there. We'll put you instead. And this we can unmute because it's ASMR. It's not TV. And it is Hypnotic Dreams. Make sure that's right. Hypnotic Dreams ASMR, please subscribe to her. Excellent ASMR. Tapping. Oh, my Christmas. Is this weed? I don't know. Paletas. Paletas. I didn't get my usual Snickies today because I... If you want to subscribe, just all kinds of tapping. Oh, and Mary Snow... I have a Merry Snow Day and Snow Day and New Year to everyone. Not everyone celebrates Christmas, or not everyone celebrates Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or Little Christmas. Oh, I didn't ever show you the inside of it. Not sponsored. Today I'm going to show you the version of my Monica glass to add to a video that I already made. I got this in Burlington, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly. One of my favorite brushes to use for that would be this by Lux, and it is the 514 blush brush. So Wish brushes. And then this is a RTX VL. I forgot the lady's name, No 38, I guess, powder brush. This is a stippling brush, but for like concealer, and it is the Flat Kabuki. But I got that from my beauty supply store. And this is the Wet n Wild Saved by the Bell. It is nice and soft. doesn't say the kind of brush. It says UTV. This is an Isaac Mizrahi brush. I got it in the Green Acres Burlington. Got it in another stipple brush concealer. Kenzie brush from the Burlington and Green Acres. Then we have a thick, I guess, fan brush. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Then these are Star Wars brushes. And then we have some, you could call this like a stipple brush. And then like, for like, blending in the powdered makeup, if you use cream, like liquid. This is a BB brush. These are the new, no, that's not a new one. These are the new ones I just got. You saw these in part of the video yesterday, the Hello Kitty X Cream Shop. X Hello Kitty. This is a BB powder brush, travel powder brush. I'm going to put these in here. This is a angled powder brush by Color Spell, but this is now garbage, and I'll show you why it's garbage. Because that broke. And then we have my face globes here. Oh, this is also the Cream Shop, but it's not by X anybody. It's just the Cream Shop. This is a travel size e.l.f. face. A Bamboo Naturals travel powder. Cinnamon Toast Crunch brush. Fan brush. Okay. The ones that I have over here, like this and these are makeup brushes that I actually use. And I had some old ASMR brushes because I rotated my stock to use as makeup brushes, so they're not going to waste. These I got off Wish. There we go. Why are these brushes like elevating for a minute? Put that there. I can get this out. Give it. Yeah, it's a travel brush. So that'll go in there. There we go. The ones that I will be using all the video, all of the time. Hi, Dad. In my room.
Yeah, what's...
What? Watching MASH.
Why is there no sound?
Because I'm making a video.
Oh.
can't have that in a YouTube video. You get copywritten. These are going to be like brushes that I'll take with me, like say I'm going on vacation or something, but I want to do an ASMR video. That's what these will be used for. But now I'm going to, as promised, I'm going to use you. And as promised, I said that I would do a video with this, the backing to my mini makeup brushes. I like the sounds it makes. That looks like up close. And on the back, Cream Shop, not sponsored. Comment down below if you like this pink paper trigger. Same nail, new design. Oh, I need one with the headsets to charger. And the audio charger. Christmas lights. Oh, I see that. Christmas clip. Stickers. Permanent board. That grip tape, as you can see here. But this one was so pretty. I had to add it to my collection. And then this one, which is my disorder, I think. Oh, just to compare. That's just the way it was. The way it was. It's the way it was back then. Gaslight edition didn't get it. That's just the way it was. Stickers. And last but not least on the board, this panther looking Nisha by Disorder. Now, for this collection. Shit, that's an ultra rare. See, I don't know if you can see that purple one right there. I have that one. This one. That's just the way it was. The way it was. Got this great shop mirror. Looks Hello Kitty. I thought this was so cute. And you put the girl when you're traveling. Hello, everybody. I saw these. I knew they were perfect. I just thought these stems of these brushes were just so pretty. These don't get used for ASMR. They actually get used for my makeup.